Entertaining will be a breeze with this mini hot dog grazing platter made with Primo cocktail franks. To get the party started, prepare the condiments. First up, the honey mustard mayo. Place the mayonnaise, honey and mustard in a bowl. Stir to combine and then spoon into a serving dish. Next, make the smashed avo by placing the avocado and lemon juice in a bowl and season. Mash with a fork to your desired consistency. Now to cook the Primo cocktail franks. Remove them from the packaging and cut into individual pieces. Pop into a large saucepan filled with cold water and bring the water to a boil over high heat. Once boiled, turn off the heat and set the franks aside for 5 minutes. Place the rolls on a lined baking tray and bake in a 220 degrees Celsius oven for about 3 to 5 minutes or until heated through. Set aside to cool slightly. When the rolls are cool enough to handle, cut through the tops lengthways, but be careful not to cut all the way through. Time to drain the franks. To serve, arrange the condiments on a serving board. The honey mustard mayo, smashed avo, the rolls, and the Primo cocktail franks. Place each frank in a roll and leave your guests free to add their choice of toppings. So keep some Primo cocktail franks in the fridge for the next time unexpected guests arrive and watch this grazing platter disappear.